How's Eric's been here?
Just a little bit. We've got a problem where the chain keeps coming off. Pull it faster. So you can hear how it's cycling because the mount for the chain's bending just that little fraction. Let's see if you can make it up the hill without the chain coming off. We might have to push him back up. A bit of a Christmas. Huh?
Turning circle.
Come on, pull it a bit more. Is that Fletch?
That's full. Shouldn't say that on video. Pull it a bit more. Just when I'm half naked.
It's all good, I'll cut the sound out for most of it.
I'll go up there.
Yeah, I suppose. Yeah, you got plenty. Nice and quiet for him to put it away at 11 o'clock at night. Though he has to pump up his tyres. A bit quieter. A bit slower though. See, I reckon it really needed that extra 12 volts. Remember when you're about to put it on the brakes, turn it all the way off.
You want it in the garage or park
Yeah,
it in the front?
in the garage. Oh, park it wherever you want it. Yeah, I'm pretty much done with it. Until I get a chance to get some proper metal and rebuild the bracket, maybe later, it should survive.
Oh, thank you.
Give a big smile.